Lanfang Yangchang Packaging Machinery Company Limited. Yangchang's Pack is committed to be a more competitive packing equipment manufacturer. Our main product including shrink wrapper, carton packer, palletizer, depalletizer and conveyor system for water, beverages, dairy, condiments and edible oil, etc. Integrated R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. Yangchang's Pack can meet the diverse and personalized technical requirements from domestic and international clients. Yangchang's Pack are located in Guan Industrial Park, which is 10 kilometers from Beijing Daxing International Airport and 150 kilometers from Tianjin Binhai International Seaport. Yangchang's Pack has technical talents with rich experience in packing equipment. Combining market demand and packaging requirements, Yangchang's Pack have conducted in-depth research and innovation which ensure excellent quality and reliable service. Yangchang's Pack always attach importance to independent innovation and quality feedback. Shrink wrapper not only ensure packaging reliability, but also environmental and cost efficiency. Carton Packer can meet the flexible packaging needs with different cases. Various Speed Palletizers are suitable for automatic stacking in multiple industries. Depalletizers supply glass bottle and cans continuously for filling process. Yangchang's Pack, professional packaging solutions provider. Besides turnkey engineering, Yangchang's Pack covers more than 30 models meeting the packing needs in bottled water, beverages, dairy, alcohol, condiments, edible oil, pharmaceuticals and chemicals production. The reliable one-stop packaging solution making us become one of the most competitive and renowned brands worldwide. Yangchang's Pack, always at your side.